Hey guys, what's going on? It's Carolina Diamond. Man, I gotta go find Bigfoot, y'all. Me and Run out finna go find him because I can't find Mr. Beagle. I haven't seen him all morning, and I'm really scared. So Ronnie is gonna pull up from work and he's supposed to honk his horn. Oh, I think I hear him now, y'all. We gotta go find Mr. Bigfoot, y'all. I got my guns and everything because I'm scared. Y'all come with me for real, yo. I got my tummy healed for this one, y'all. Shit, it's cold out there, bro. I'm scared, but I gotta go find my doggy. Let's go. Right behind you. Yeah, there go Cheesy, y'all. We're gonna find big dog, yes. Mr. Beagle, he got my dog, Jesus. Ah! Ah! Listen, Mr. Big, oh, Ronnie, Bigfoot done been out here. Look at him. He done knocked down all my damn Valentine shit. No, what you think? Who you think Mr. Beagle is? I think, no, Bigfoot done ate my dog, Ronnie, ain't it? What you think? I thought we gonna go find him. You trying to find your gloves, honey? Don't my man look so nice in that damn army suit he is. That's a goddamn petroleum supply 77 Yankee. He just make my 76 Yankee go papa. Ah, we gotta go find this dog, Jesus. This the MOS lingo, honey. Quartermaster family. Yeah, supply sergeant. He petroleum supply. Mr. Beagle! Oh God, I'm so scared, guys. I don't know where my dog is. Oh yeah, for real, running down. I'm scared. Mr. Beagle! Boo! Ow, ow. Y'all, Bigfoot got my dog. Yeah, I mean, I'm scared of snakes, y'all. I told Corey Abandon I couldn't do this shit now. Look what happened. I'm trying to go find spirits, and the spirit done got a dog and Jason. Ah! I don't know where my dog is. Big and shit him out somewhere here, y'all. Ah! Mr. Beagle! Oh, I'm just gonna die. Take me now, Jesus. I don't see Mr. Beagle running. Bigfoot got him. Bigfoot got my dog. Bigfoot got my dog running. You gonna go find him? Yeah, my man gonna find him because I'm scared of Bigfoot. Ah! Let's go see if we got some Donald Trump money. Oh Lord. Yo. Oh my God. That is the most biggest footprint I've seen. Bigfoot got my dog running. You think you're in the trees somewhere? Oh, Donald Trump money. Donald Trump money. Oh. I don't know where my dog is. Mr. Beagle! Mr. Beagle! No Donald Trump money today, y'all. So I ain't saying shit. Come on, though. Mr. Beagle! Lay up. All right, lay up. Lift them up your leg. Lift them up your leg. Lay up. Your leg. Left, right, leg. Mr. Beagle! You done shot my dog, y'all. Mr. Bigfoot got my dog. I don't see him anywhere. I don't know. Mr. Beagle! Mr. Beagle! Mr. Beagle!
Come with me.